If you want to be a YouTube star, here it is 2021, and I had a choice to make. This was great until I decided I wanted to edit videos. I had done audio with it, and it worked fine for that. And I had gotten Final Cut Pro, and I was excited, I'm going to edit videos. But I found out very quickly that I had to run an app called Memory Cleaner every time I wanted to run anything. And if I wanted to edit video, I had to close out all my apps. If I wanted to live stream, which I was using Ecamm for, which Ecamm works great, but I'd have to close essentially all of my apps so that things would go well for me when I did it. It got to the point where I was making myself crazy. And crazy for me is a very short trip. Insane, I've got a ways to go. But crazy, I'm all over that one. Now, what do crazy people do in desperation? In moments like this, what do? Well, we go and ask my wife it's okay to buy a M1 Mac Mini. M1 Mac Mini? Why do you need that? I want to be able to edit videos, honey. I really want to edit videos. You know, this YouTube thing suddenly has bit me like some kind of bug. I am possessed and I want to be a YouTube star. Okay, no, I don't really, but I want to be on YouTube. And I want people to watch my videos. I bought an M1 Mac Mini. Now, you were saying, whoa, wait. You bought an M1 Mac Mini, but when you bought the M1 Mac Mini, the M1 iMac was announced, and it's got that 4.5K monitor, and why would you want that? M1 Mac Mini, why would you want that instead of an iMac? You know, the M1 iMac, it's really cool. Why wouldn't you want that? If you're like me, you've bought accessories for your world. For example, this 1080p monitor, this 1080p monitor, and my USB hubs, and yes, a 4.5K monitor would be beautiful, but if you've got all these 1080p monitors and you connect them up, they have to, the 4.5K has to downscale so that you don't go insane going back and forth on your monitors. And I live in a land of 1080p cameras because I haven't gotten where I can quite afford a pro camera yet. One day, but it hasn't been important because the important thing as a live streamer is to hit the record button. See this app right here? I haven't had to run it at all on my M1 Mac Mini. Why? Because I got 16 gig of memory for one thing. Second of all, I got 1 terabyte of storage. So I bought an M1 Mac Mini and I'm excited. And now here's an unboxing video in reverse and high speed because you've probably seen 1,000 unboxing videos, so why not? AP monitors, all these USB peripherals. I don't need the Thunderbolt 2 port stuff at all anymore. And so that's why I bought an M1 Mac Mini. And it kicks butt. And it rocks Final Cut Pro. And I edited this video with it. And it was amazing. And that's why I bought an M1 Mac Mini. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, if you really want to see more videos like this, I would love for you to click the subscribe button. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell. Ring the bell, ding, 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 and get notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of my review. Bye.